A question we get asked during the winter months is it okay to install a shingle roof when it's cold during the winter? And our answer is yes, if it's done correctly. We want to be careful when they're being installed. Obviously, when it's cold outside, just like you have with other home exterior products such as vinyl siding, it tends to be kind of brittle and less forgiving than it does in the warm months. It's the same thing with shingles. They can be installed correctly, but they are more brittle and a little more difficult to handle. So it's a little tougher from the installation standpoint it takes a little longer. Each shingle does have a tar strip on the underside which bonds it to the shingles below it. And so as soon as the roof absorbs some heat from the sun, gets some direct sunlight, that tar activates and seals the shingles together. Obviously in the winter you don't have as much of that absorption of heat, so it takes a little longer to get that tar strip activated, and so it becomes important that the shingles are fastened correctly in case you would get a high wind, before they're completely sealed. So basically, to sum it up, there's no issues with installing a shingle roof in the cold weather as long as they're installed correctly, the nails are at the right place, and we get some sunlight sooner or later, which will bond the shingles together.